Okay, I am impressed by Fable 5, but I just had a thought that I could probably simulate the same thing. And the way I would do that is if you send a long prompt and a lot of stuff that you need to be done, Fable can take care of that. And it's pretty impressive. He can hold much more, he can understand much more about the code base as well. But there is no thinking blocks, right? It's just, you just wait and he's doing stuff and he's barely commenting on what he's doing. He's mainly spawning a bunch of agents to do stuff. Then I started thinking you could basically emulate something similar, which is actually what I'm doing every day. I'm striving to orchestrate everything and make everything context efficient. Imagine something like this. You send your prompt, a huge prompt of what needs to be done, but instead of one session trying to figure it all out, the session automatically knows, okay, there is a lot of requests. Let me dispatch everything separately. The same stuff as the orchestrator skill in Valo is doing, where I made a video about it. The same stuff, but it's just much more organized. You send a huge prompt, it's get divided into many small prompts. It's being sent separately. Every agent has its own context window, and he can communicate back to the agent that opened that small window because he's holding more of the context. So having Fable and the orchestrator on top of that, and the mini chats that are going to appear here, oh, it's going to be so good. It's the agent view, but much better because you have options. You can spawn tabs, you can spawn mini chats, you can even type in those mini chats, you can approve stuff, you can see how Claude is talking between each other. I think that's where the magic lives as well, where you can actually see agents talking to each other. For example, where is it? Yeah, this came from a cross-chat message from preview, fix, and verify. This message, this chat. I never told them to talk to each other, nothing like this. It's just like when you give Claude the tools, they just start using them. And you have reached your session limit.